Easy English for Beginners, Study 2 for November. Eric rides a backhoe. Eric loves big trucks and machines. When he grows up, he will learn how to drive a backhoe like his uncle. A backhoe has an arm and bucket on the back, and a front loader on the front. These powerful machines easily move heavy soil and rock to make way for roads and homes and many other things. Today, Eric's uncle is taking him to ride on the backhoe. What fun! This is amazing! If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.